Okay, this is a quick impromptu video that I think applies to the majority of what we do at Maintenance Cleaning Service. We are constantly having issues with employees not using water to clean. It's one reason we don't hire people, is if we see that they don't use water. So I'm going to, for the sake of the video, quickly demonstrate. There's a bucket of water, furniture polish, glass cleaner, cleaning cloth, and a dry towel to show the only correct way to clean any sort of counter, toilet, sink, as far as in the bathroom or kitchen. So, your rag must be wet, and I don't mean like a little corner. I mean the whole entire rag should be wet, and you'll do this under a sink faucet, not a bowl. And then you should go over the entire area with a wet rag. If the surface, whether it's a toilet or a sink or a shower, is not completely wet, then you didn't clean it. When you wash your hands, you use water. When you take a shower, you use water. When you wash your car, you use water. When you wash dishes, you use water. Your rag should be completely wet. Then you have one of three options depending on what it is. You can either A, if it's just a regular surface like Formica, then you can just use a dry cloth. If it's like kind of an old stone or something, just use a dry cloth because you're shining it now. It's clean, it's dry, takes off any streaks. If it's something that's like high shine, like black, then after you wet it with a cloth, you can spray a little Windex and then go over it and buff it dry with a Windex cloth. Sometimes my kind of are like this, and a lot of customers are, after you use your wet rag and you go over it, it'll still be like a little gritty in some spots even though you cleaned it. So in those cases, you can use furniture polish. I'm using a yellow cloth to represent that, and go over it and buff it. So it leaves a nice smooth finish. So that when you clean your countertops, whether you wet and dry, wet and Windex, or wet and Pledge, when you feel the countertops, it should be perfectly smooth. You should not feel any residue at all. If you were cleaning like this, let me step out of the shot temporarily. Taking an all-purpose cleaner, fill in the blank, Windex, Lysol, whatever, and you're spraying your counter, and you were taking a dry cloth, and you are wiping, you are not actually cleaning, you're dusting. Please use water when you clean surfaces.